my peace of mind is a lot better. Knowing someone in Jeff's caliber is helping me, taking care of things that I had no idea about, taking care of my family. I was with a very successful company for most of my adult life working, and I felt our standards were pretty high, and I felt very comfortable the first time I came in here with what was being explained to me, what was being told to me, what was being shown to me. So I compared the two and thought very comfortable. I think the most important thing I took away was asking what I knew or what I wanted or what I expected. And did I have any idea what they could do for me? And pretty much sort of kind of no. But they shared what they could do, and that's when I began to think this is something that I could use in something that would be helpful. Well, we all put our things in our little red wagon, and from the time we're a little kid, a little red wagon is something special. So what goes in that little red wagon is special. It's my life endeavors, all rolled up in that little red wagon. Bellomo and Associates, with the approach of the little red wagon, makes me feel as though my possessions are in good hands. They're compact, they're explained to me, I understand them, and I'm protecting what is important to me. The maintenance seminar is for those customers, those clients who, I don't know how to say this, we pay an additional fee per year, and that makes us a part of the maintenance family. I belong to it because I was having some changes in my family life that I needed questions answered, and I didn't want to pay additional. So becoming a family, part of the family, helped me reach those answers, those goals. What I like about it is the camaraderie with the other customers, the other clients. Of course, the good food. Bingo. I just spoke at lunchtime to a friend, referred her here. We're both widows. She's a little bit older than I am. We've both worked outside of the home most of our life, and we want to take care of what we've accumulated for our families. So I referred them here because I think I feel comfortable with the way Bellomo and Associates has set up my estate. The protection that they've given me, the guidance they've given me, the education they've given me, so I can make informed opinions. The Bellomo and Associates staff are very well trained, educated. You call with a question and they either answer immediately or get back to you within several hours, which to me is reassuring. You know, when a question comes up, we want an answer yesterday. So to me, that's part of a good program. The personalization of the process is they remember who you are. They remember something that is important to you about yourself. And that all makes you feel wanted, needed, and a good fit. Well, the information gathering was rather extensive, I thought. We do get the binder. Of course, I've pulled parts of it and made copies for my kids because they're part of this, and I want them to understand what I'm doing and why we came to the conclusions that we did.